heard there are a lot of videos about dogs going over obstacle courses made from everyday objects like pens and pencils. So I went on YouTube, clicked on the search bar, and typed in dog obstacle course challenge. It gave me a lot of results. And I found one that was made at home. I clicked on it, watched it. I really gotta give it to him. It's pretty good. That got me wondering, what would Duke do? So here's the game plan. I went to Walmart and bought a case of water. Then came back home and found a narrow hallway. I took the water bottles out and placed them on the hallway to create an obstacle course. All Duke needs to do is come in and out through the water bottles. Simple. We went easy for the first round, just fine. Maybe too easy. Round 2. 3 rows with 1-4-5 formation. Let's see what Duke does.
Duke, come here. Find tree. Where's the tree? It's not there. Duke, go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Round 3. We added more water bottles to see if he can maneuver around this one. Let's see.
Duke. Good boy. Duke, go to daddy. Duke, go to daddy.
Round 4. We added more rows and more water bottles.
Duke, come here. Duke, go to daddy. Duke, go to daddy.
Round 5. We added all 24 water bottles from the case. This might be a little tough.
Duke. Duke, go to daddy. Go to daddy. Duke, go to daddy. Duke, go to daddy. Duke, go to daddy.
A few minutes later.
Last round. We rearranged the water bottles to give Duke another shot.
Duke. Come here, boy. Come here, Duke.
There you have it. That's Duke with the Water Bottle Obstacle Course Challenge. Thank you for watching.
Mommy? Duke, where's Mommy? Duke.